We just made it to the Florida Marathon Airport here in Marathon, Florida. This is the FBO, and if you look right here, that is our airplane. Gonna find a way to get in, meet the owner, and go up for a few flights, and then the plan is to head to either Tallahassee or Sarasota, Florida tonight. Well, we had a slight issue right off the bat. Went to give it a first start and noticed the primer is stuck. It does not move freely. And everything else seems to work, but the defroster here and a fuel sump in the right tank, I'm corrected, left tank does not drain. So we have a mechanic coming out that did the annual to come check it out, and hopefully they can fix it. Well, we were able to get all the issues fixed. We had a mechanic come and adjust all the small squawks that we had found. And this is the first start. Well, the video footage ends there, unfortunately, because we had a slight change of plans. We ended up taking the airplane to Sarasota, Florida to get some avionics work and to get a new vacuum pump. Our vacuum pump gave out during the flight, as well as we had some issues with our radios. They weren't quite receiving and transmitting as well as they should have, and the audio panel was a mess. The switches weren't working properly. We needed to get it looked at. It wasn't quite in the condition to fly back to Texas. Keep a lookout for part 2 of the video. Part 2 should be out shortly after I get it together, and that will feature a friend and I going to Sarasota, Florida, picking up the airplane and bringing it back to Dallas, Texas.